Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate ko, Beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua at ang bago po nating viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na gustong iparating sa'yo, Aqua. We have openness and attraction. Okay, so yung openness, ito yung pagtatanggap natin ng maluwag. Yung mga sinasabi nilang pagbibigay ng guidance sa'yo, yung mga divine guidance sa'yo sa relationship. Kasi kung mapapansin mo dito, ang pinapakita ditong picture is yung the Bible. If we, read the Bible and understand yung mga words of God, yun ay nagkaroon tayo ng Bible kasi para maging guide natin, lahat tayo, guide natin na ito yung salita ng Diyos at ito yung mga pangaral na gusto niyang matutunan natin. At pwede natin itong i-apply sa ating mga relationships. Okay? Kung tayo ay lalo na naguguluhan o sabihin natin na nawawala sa landas, may mga question tayo pagdating sa ating sarili o sa ating relationships, not just with our physical partner but also with God, kasi ito yung tinatawag natin kailangan natin gawin para mas maging matatag tayo, in terms of our spirituality. Yung ating paniniwala ay mas maging matibay sa ating mahal na Diyos. Okay? Now, attraction, it is something to do with divine soul counterpart. So you are being, there is an attraction na talagang mararamdaman mo with someone na parating sa buhay mo. Okay? And this is something that is being divinely guided. So, ibig sabihin, yung person na dadating sa'yo, Aqua, is being blessed by God na maging kayo. No? Siya yung, kung ba nagtutulak dito sa tao na to na magkakilala kayo, makita ka niya at mabuo yung gusto na yon, yung paggusto sa'yo, yung attraction. And the same with you, no? Pareho kayo na you're attracted to each other. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mensahe na gustong iparating sa'yo. Oops, okay. We have a jumping card. We have the Moon. Then we have the Ten of Pentacles. We have the Eight of Wands. Judgment. And the Lovers. Bottom niya is, the Sun. Ang ganda ng cards. Aqua. Now, yung Sun, of course, alam natin. Aqua, doon sa mga matagal lang sumusubaybay sa atin, at doon sa mga bago naman, the Sun is the happiest card sa tarot. Ang binibigay nitong enerhiya o simbolo ay kaligayahan, pagiging successful, paglaki, pagdami, something na talagang mag-e-expand, no? Yung talagang very positive yung dating niya. It could be something of giving that energy of a rebirth, yung pag-uumpisa muli, something to do with clarity, pagkakaroon ng kaliwanagan sa mga bagay na hindi natin naiintindihan. And that is really something that, it's being divinely guided. Kasi kung binibigyan ka ng ganitong energy, you're being blessed by God na magkaroon ng masayang disposisyon sa buhay, or maybe the relationship that will be coming in is something that will bring happiness to you. No, kaligayahan talaga. And with the Page of Swords, there might be somebody na talagang watching over you, no? May tumitingin talaga sa'yo. Hindi mo lang napapansin or you're not aware of, kasi there is this attraction. No? May attraction talaga sa'yo. And baka this time, mapansin mo na siya. Kasi with the Ace of Wands, may pahiwatag na this is the start of a new passionate beginning. You know, pag once napansin mo tong tao na to na merong attraction sa'yo, it will start, it will ignite, no? Mag-umpisa yung passionate new beginning with you. And it will make you very happy. Aqua. Okay? Kasi yung nakaraan mo, no? Maraming malabo, maraming hindi mo alam on things are being hidden or may sikreto. You're not sure. Definitely you're not sure na kung meron bang dadating o matatanggap mo ba ito? This Ten of Pentacles, this is a challenge for you, no? Nakikita mo to na parang hindi mo maabot, hindi mo makita na posible pala itong mangyari. Not at this point, no? Ito yung pinapasok na negative energy nitong moon is because you cannot see this Ten of Pentacles happening to you. Ang Ten of Pentacles po kasi, mga mahal kong viewers na bago, is one of the best cards sa tarot. This is really saying na you have it all. No, you were able to meet a wonderful partner. Nagpakasal kayo, you're being blessed with beautiful children. Maayos yung inyong pamamahay. You have money in the bank. Hanggat sa pagkatanda, no, yung kaapu-apuhan nyo, you are living your legacy to your family. So talagang kung gaba ito na yon, yung pinakatuktok, no, ng pagiging maayos na kabuhayan in the future. Kasi this is the future. And yung nakaraan nga, you cannot see that. No, malabo. Parang pakiramdam mo ay wala, hindi ko ito maano. Kasi kung titignan mo, the moon appears paggabi, sa madilim. While the sun appears in the morning, kaya maliwanag. Nakita mo yung dalawang contrasting? Dati, ito, no? Ito yung nararamdaman mo. Madilim. Konti lang yung ilaw na hahagilap ko. But God is saying, hindi. Magiging maliwanag lahat. Things will clear up. And you will be happy. Okay? Kung ito yung wish mo, yung Ten of Pentacles, matatanggap mo yan. Kasi what you just need is to have communication, movement, mag-aksyon, gumalaw. Okay? Ngayon, if this is talking about this attraction with this person, yun yung kailangan mangyari. Or if you are the one being attracted to this person, then you have to let this person know. Paalam mo na may feelings ka dito. You need to move. You need to speak. You need to express. And if ikaw naman, yung sabihin natin, the other one, yung person mo has to do the same thing for you para ma-realize mo na meron pala nagkakagusto sa akin. Akala ko wala. Pero meron pala. Yun yung kailangan mangyari. And it will be divinely guided, Aquarius. It will be divinely guided. Ibibless siya ni God. Kasi the intention is to give you this opportunity. You know, this opportunity to be happy. To have your lover, as an advice. Magkaroon ka ng lover. makita mo na yung love of your life. Ito yung magiging outcome niya. Okay? Kasi, kung ginawa mo lang yung tama eh. If you're the one that needs to express these feelings, then you just did what is right. No? With the judgment card. Sabi ko nga, para ma-realize ng other person, or you, take it as it resonates, that there is someone being attracted to the other person. Kasi hindi naman talaga natin malalaman na may attraction yung tao na yun sa'yo kung hindi nagsasalita, di ba? Hindi niya pinapahiwatig, hindi niya sinasabi, hindi niya na-express. Hindi naman tayo manghuhula, hindi tayo mind reader, hindi tayo nagbabasa ng pag-iisip ng ibang tao, di ba? Kaya the best way to know is really to learn from the person, sabihin ng tao na, ito yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo, I like you, or I love you, I find you very attractive, I want to date you, I want to get to know you more. Diba? Yun yung mga pag-uumpisa na, oops, meron palang nagkaka-interest sa akin. And that would make you happy. That would make you really happy. Diba sabi ko nga, there is someone watching na talagang attracted to have, and that would ignite the new beginning. The new beginning in love. Okay? So, ano ka lang, believe that God is there guiding both of you to the right path. Okay? Para tama yung pupuntahan nyo, yung tatahakin nyo pareho. Tignan natin, kung ano yung characteristics nitong person na to. Yung person na magiging lover mo. Mas bata sa'yo. Loyal and faithful. Mapagmahal. Wow, loving siya. Mapagkaibigan. Tsaka mabait. And also an air sign like you. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Okay? Ang iba pang nakikita ko dito na zodiac sign is Pisces, Virgo, Gemini, Sagittarius. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa nito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.